Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Bharadwaj and today I am going to explain you topic HTML. Right? So as you know, this is a computer lecture and the topic name is HTML. So this is very important topic and what is a language? This is a language and we are using this language for creating our websites and web pages. So before starting my topic, I just want to explain you what is the exact means of HTML, right? And what is the full form of HTML? So HTML means H for hyper, T for text, right? And M for markup, and L for language. So this is the full form of HTML, hypertext markup language, right? So why we call this hyper? Hyper means we can create hyperlinks. In HTML code, we can create hyperlinks. What is the means of hyperlinks? Hyperlinks means we can create links. We can, with the help of link, we can go to the another page. So this is a work of hyperlink. So hyper means we can create hyperlinks in our code, right? And second is text. HTML is a text language, means in this language we will use simple English language we will use. So this is a text. And what is the means of markup? Markup means we can create lot of headings, lot of styles. We can make our text bold, italic and underlined. That's why this is a markup. And language, you know, this is a language. That's why L for language. So this is the exact meaning of hypertext markup language. This is the full form of HTML. Now the next question is, what is the use of HTML? Why we use HTML? So basically HTML developers are use HTML for creating a websites and web pages, right? So in HTML, this language is used for creating a website and web pages. So the question is, what is a website and what is a web page? So web page, you know, web page is a single page that hold text, audio, video, GIF, etc. So web page is a collection of text, audio, video, GIF and picture, etc. This is a single page that hold the all information related to topic, right? And now this is a web page, right? And now question is, what is a website? Right? So website is a collection of web page. Website is the collection of web page. Means lot of web page create a one website, right? So you can say website is what? Collection of web pages. And what is a web page? Web page is a single page that hold the text, audio, video, picture, GIF, etc. Right? So HTML is what? Hypertext markup language is used for creating a web page and website. This is the main use of HTML. How to write HTML code? So this is the next topic, how to write HTML code, right? You know about the what is HTML, but now the next topic, how to write HTML code. So we require notepad for writing HTML code. We require notepad. Simply if we have a notepad in my computer, then we can easily create a, and we also require a web browser. So there are two things that require for creating a web page. So the first is Notepad, and the second is two things. The first is Notepad and second is browser. So there are two important things. We write our code, we write our program in Notepad, and then we view our code in browser in a web look, right? So there are 4 steps for opening a Notepad in your computer. The first is start button. And then all programs. If you don't know, all programs, and then accessories, and then Notepad, right? So these are the basic steps to open Notepad in your computer. And whenever you will click on Notepad, you will see Notepad window appear in front of you. Suppose this is a Notepad window. Suppose this, and I have written code of HTML here. Now the next step is I want to save this code with the help of HTML extension. So the question is, what is the extension of HTML? So extension of HTML that is .html. Again I am repeating, .html. .html is the extension of HTML language, right? So suppose we have written program in Notepad. Now I want to save this program, and we will save this program. We first click on file. Here is a file option. Here, file option. So we first click on file option, and then we will click on save as option. Click on save as option, right? And then we will write file name. Write the file name, right? Example. Suppose I have write here Aarti dot, with the help of extension, right here Aarti.html, right? And now we will click on save option. So this is the way. In this way we can save our HTML code, right? First of all, click on file option, then we will click on save as option, and then we will write file name. Suppose file name is Aarti. This is file name, right? And this is the extension of HTML. As I have earlier told you, this is the extension of HTML. So and now we will click on save. So in this way our HTML code has been saved in our computer. Now the question is how we will view our HTML code in a web page, right? So suppose this is your computer and you have saved your file on desktop, right? So my file is here, that is aarti.html, right? So first of all we just right click of the mouse. This is a mouse, and this is a left click, and this is a right click, right? So we just click here and click right click of the mouse. Which type of click? Right click. We just keep pointer here and right click of the mouse. So whenever you will click on right click, then this type of pop-up menu will be appear in front of you, right? And here is a one option, open with. So you will click on open with, and there are lot of browsers appear in front of you. Lot of browser, that means if you have a computer, if your computer have a lot of browser, then all the browser appear there. So you will choose the browser and whenever you will choose the browser, then your HTML code appear in front of you in a web page. Suppose this is a browser. So here your HTML code will be appear here, right? So this is a way you can save your program, you can write your program, and also you can see your program in web view. Again I am repeating, you require two things for writing your HTML code. The first is Notepad, and second, to view your code, browser. You need a browser, right? So first of all, you write your HTML code in Notepad, and then you will save your program with the help of .html extension, right? And now with the help of right click on the file, you can see your code in web view.